have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a Sunday vlog. Happy Sunday. Today is the 28th, so tomorrow is March 1st and starting on a Monday. So I want to have a good day today. I have a lot of things that I need to get done for like school, and Sunday is just a big like getting my life together type of day with like doing laundry, cleaning, all that stuff basically. So I wanted to bring you guys along my day. I just ate breakfast. I had some eggs with some sausage and like the mini tater tots. I've been loving that. The bananas that we got yesterday are not ready yet, so I was gonna make a smoothie, but I will probably make that tomorrow if they are ready because they were like super green, so I didn't have that today. And right now I am about to make my coffee, but I thought I would start off the vlog. And first I actually need to do my to-do list of the day, so I want to do that before I do anything else because that just keeps me like on track. And I do work on Sundays at 5 from 5 to 10, so I want to obviously get everything done beforehand and anything else done obviously when I'm back home to prep for tomorrow and for the week. So a lot of preparation today. Yesterday I spent basically like the whole day editing and just relaxing. It was kind of like a lazy day yesterday, which was nice, but I need to upload that video today. I need to finish the thumbnail. Actually, I'll do that probably while I make my coffee. Well, I have my coffee. I'm gonna make a TikTok. I've been really into TikTok again. I need to do a health critique and read an article, so that's one thing I need to do for school. I need to study for history, read, do laundry. Got a busy day. Okay, let's get it. I'm trying to find a song that I want to use for my TikTok. I'm gonna show how I make my coffee. I've been really into like making random TikToks, not even like just dancing ones, like literally random. So follow me on TikTok. I'll have it linked in my description. But I'm gonna make a coffee and do a little cute TikTok, but I just don't know what sound I'm gonna use yet. Looks so yummy. I'm editing the TikTok right now. Okay, I brought my coffee to my desk and I'm gonna quickly edit my thumbnail. The video is already like scheduled to go up. I did everything last night. I also just uploaded the TikTok, which turned out good, and now I just need to focus on getting this video up. It's gonna go live at 1 o'clock. What I've been doing is on YouTube Analytics, you can see when your audience, like when's the best time to post for your audience based off of all of your previous analytics and your videos, and every day of the week it tells you a time when like your viewers are on YouTube. I always take a look at that, and so today I'm gonna post at 1 o'clock. So I got that ready. I just need to edit something for my thumbnail and I'll be good to go with that. And I love using Canva for that, for creating everything. I've just been trying a lot with my thumbnails. I feel like thumbnails are great. Well, they're very important, by the way, but I've definitely upgraded my thumbnails from when I first started, and I've just been trying new things, seeing what you guys like from obviously like feedback, and yeah, I've just been trying new things. I also see a lot of TikToks where there's this YouTuber, Angelina, I think that's her name, Angelina King. She posts lots of like reels and stuff with how she edits and just tips and tricks, and it's good to take like inspo but also still make it your own, so that's also very important. But yeah, I've just been trying different things out and still using what I just love for myself and what I've been consistent with, such as like text or fonts that I use, but also just finding new fonts and finding new things that I like, which is important. But yeah, just doing that right now. And this was a week vlog, so I'm trying to make it like a little bit also like more fun and creative with the thumbnail rather than my normal ones that I normally do. So just trying to put in more pictures.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking.
I just uploaded my video and I'm about to change out of my robe, out of my PJs, into just like house clothes, day clothes, lazy, comfy clothes, because I'm about to do some laundry before I get into doing the work and the studying that I have to do. So I'm gonna take off my pillowcases. I need to wash my other sheet because it actually fell on the floor while I was sleeping, so I'm gonna do that. Always wash your pillowcases every week, like even if you don't wash your whole bedding, just make sure you wash your pillowcases because it holds a lot of like bacteria and stuff, which is not good for your skin. It's just not good, so make sure you're washing your pillowcases. Lazy at home outfit of the day. I just threw on this short sleeve Always New York tee that I got from Zara like 2 years ago, my Amazon hoodie, and then leggings because I'm gonna go to work later, so just a little lazy. Also, we have this rack out for our laundry to hang dry. They just did their laundry, now I'm gonna go do mine. Okay, right now I'm about to do my health information critique. This is the first one. We have 3 for my health and nutrition class, so I just need to read an article that he provided and answer, I think it's 4 questions. Yeah, 4 questions I need to answer. And I have my notes here just in case I need to use them. Also, I have a PowerPoint slide that I took a picture of so I can use that to help me answer the questions. And this is what I'm going to do first because it's actually due tomorrow. I almost forgot that I had to do it because I didn't write it in my planner after class. I forgot. Some pasta for lunch with some broccoli. I finished submitting my health critique, so I'm gonna cross that off my list. I uploaded, made my TikTok, did my health critique. Still doing laundry. I put it to dry. I have 1 load in the dryer and the other load washing right now, so I actually need to go, I think, grab it. It should be done by now. I'm in my car right now. I finished my 2nd load of laundry. I just like threw it on my bed so I can fold it later, but I didn't have time because I had to get ready and I'm leaving for work now. It is really rainy and yucky out. I just am not a fan of rain when I have to go somewhere. Is anybody else like that? Like, I obviously don't mind it when I'm home, like it's fine, it's cozy, but it's just so messy and I just don't like being out in the rain and driving in it. I'm ready for spring weather. I'm ready for some nice sunny days and just like nice weather. Like my skin, like I'm super pale, which reminds me I need to pick up a new SPF soon. Definitely need to do that. But yeah, it's very rainy. The only good thing is that the snow is like almost fully melted finally, because parking also has been a pain getting like back into my spot and stuff. It's just been a struggle, but yeah, it's almost fully melted. So yeah, I'm gonna head to work and I will be back at around 10 o'clock to do some studying, to do some reading, and then plan for the week ahead. So yeah, also planning out my goals. But yeah, see you guys after work. Hey guys, I'm back from work. I need to actually put away my laundry because I didn't do that before I left, so I'm gonna quickly do that and then we'll get into the rest of the stuff I'm gonna do tonight. Yeah, work actually went pretty fast. It was kind of slow tonight, so I mean, it's not the worst thing ever, so I don't mind it. It's just really rainy, so that was definitely why. But tomorrow is a new day. I don't work again until Wednesday, so love that for me. Okay, I did some laundry earlier, finished that up right now. Now I'm gonna plan out my week and my weekly goals. So there's like a top 3 goals of the week. We are officially going to be in March. Okay, I just finished planning out my week for the most part. I might like add some stuff in. It's hard to do for the whole week, like specifically, but I did for like the first couple of days because I have to study basically the whole week. But my goals were basically related to hitting certain milestones, I guess you can say, on each of these platforms that I'm trying to continue to grow. So I hit 4,000 subscribers. I want to go from this to 990. My TikTok is very low because I wasn't really posting a lot for a while and I just kind of jumped right back into it. But it's okay, I'm just, you know, trying to grow them. So if you guys are not following me on any of these already, please do so. Everything will be in my description. Also, just click subscribe if you're not already. But yeah, these 2 links will also be in my description box. And I really, really appreciate the support. Also, I don't know why this is like super red on camera right now, because in person it's not, like, there's nothing there. So I don't know if I like scratched it by accident and it's just like irritated, but that looks terrible. It's fine. So right now I'm gonna actually bring my computer to my bed and do some studying. Just gonna like go over some stuff that I highlighted for history, and that's like my main focus. So I'm gonna do some of that, especially because I have that class tomorrow, and I think she might be posting the questions. I honestly, like, I just don't know. This class is kind of all over the place. But I'm gonna do some studying, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of reading for psych, so I can be ahead a little bit for class Thursday. I don't have to read a lot, just get some reading done, a couple pages, and then I will be good to go for the day. So let me bring this to my... Okay guys, I'm about to fill out my nighttime journal and head to bed. I don't want to sleep too late this week, and this month I'm gonna really try not to sleep too late. And we actually spoke about this in my was it health and nutrition? I think it was health and nutrition. One of my classes, either stress management or health and nutrition, we spoke about how like the healthy amount of hours you should be sleeping. I think it was my stress management class, and 8 to 9 hours is like the best, because when you oversleep, like, it's fine on the weekends to like get out of your schedule and maybe sleep like 30 minutes to an hour more, but any more than that is actually not beneficial, because when you think about it, like, when you wake up, you actually don't feel good, honestly, and you feel really like groggy throughout the day and even more tired. And it's because of our body's like sleep cycle. We're basically going back into a deep sleep, and we already had enough sleep as it is, so getting those extra hours is actually not beneficial for us. So yeah, I'm really trying not to sleep too late so that I can wake up for my alarm and just really work hard at my goals every single day. I'm really trying this month, new opportunity to get everything done that you want to get done and be a better person than you were last month, and just keep improving. So I'm gonna really work hard on growing my YouTube, growing my Instagram, TikTok. So I'm really excited for all the content that's to come this month, and I hope you guys are as well. But yeah, I'm gonna head to bed and end off this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff. Let me give my shout out of the day. Today's shout out goes to Yasmin. I will pop up the comment. They did exactly what I asked in my week-long vlog. So thank you so much for giving me feedback and showing love on my recent video. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to be the next shout out for today's video, comment down below what you want to work on for yourself this new month coming. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.